that TV station in Ghana. I'm talking to you. Don't put my movie up. I didn't give you the permission to. I don't even want. Before I was even like, well, let's talk to me. Let's discuss on how we can both share. I don't want your money. Don't put my movie up.
Why that come now? Empress.
Yes.
Yes, see, I same way by ye can Uganda, ye can Kazakhstan, ye can
more Kazakhstan.
Ye can. What do you
Remember, I say Sokopo.
Copyright, piracy, issues a international canker.
International.
Inti say asemamba na ye can so where to a say ye can. Because piracy a international problem. Copyright infringement a international problem. It is an issue we have that even the whole world but see you basic kwanya say you basic kunya near can
we have
it has to be done. Now they are disappointing kakra. On this platform, they say social media coming to rant, to make a complaint, to project a certain problem. Now social media are problematic. How? What? I think you social media not to me gain results. Now they na obi e feel say or problem. See almost 80 to 70% of year we are mobile phone. Social media one year that. It is a big problem about social media. Why should anybody have a problem with that? Why? Again, on the two social media and patch results. It be responses. No,
there be so many responses.
Minister, the whole minister of communication are responding. The whole CEO, executive secretary of NFA are responding.
UTV
yes, biggest platform. So there have been some results. I feel say a PR gimmick. Now, numbers are plummeted. That is not true. You see, it is not. It's true. When we do that, I say, yeah, rubbish or more hard work. And let's be fair.
You see, our first says a wrong thing for anybody to pirate to be seen. No, but or family. Original third from Pachayanko. That's our tutu momonation.
Oh, Kobe, kwa number 2 no more. Yes, you see, when you do that or when you make that impressional, you are rubbishing the level of hard work or production and your marketing. Yes, money. Sahara runs or be and saying a last year be and a numbers. That's not. A couple of months ago, Sa Odogu moving one rante. But it was highly patronized.
Yes.
She didn't come and accuse Ghanaians of anything. She didn't rant. But that movie was there. The friends and the numbers are there. But or the Ghana for the APR stand to get these numbers.
And they answer.
Again, let's even assume Empress may try a movie. But there are a lot of resources assume. Obi area, guess what? I'm still promoting that movie. Now me ba be address obi a area me movie now. Inta ka me share yata de na me metna camera ni na me Shefugu. No, I am still marketing my movie.
Ebi kwa no was set, so how would you know?
No, so it goes to confirm what you're
saying. No, the point is I'm still marketing. It's still on YouTube and me monetizing.
Yeah.
Now me ba be address obi area. What say? As a marketer, no, me marketing movie that no. Me say yata de. Now me say team so be. Of course, I have to wear the movie. No, with what's wrong with that? I feel you say disrespect to the president, but not Zigambe say koho, but mama nanko. Empress, president na umone target no. Any disrespectful. It may sound or seem so, but technically.
It is disrespectful.
It's not.
Technically, she is right. Because your copyright laws, no president, no, and they are responsible. That's where the guy wanted to go. He is responsible for copyright.
That's so.
Yes, he's a custodian. He is there and or share copyright on our behalf, and it is in the law. I'll read it for you. Copyright Law Act 690
Section 5.
2005. Yes. No. Section 3.
No, you go to the 5. Go to the 5.
Oh, you are not 5. Man, can it 3.
Can I have the
Let me start with the 3. The government and international body copyright. The copyright of work shall vest in the president on behalf of and in trust for the people of the republic. So technically, president is responsible for copyright. Anything that president, minister of justice, auditor general, now about from to the copyright office. It is if the person technically not target president on your bonnet.
I don't want target on also president.
Technically on your bonnet, because it gives you the impression of onim the oil.
Onim.
I don't care. Me all I know is it is embedded. It is enshrined in the law. The president no any responsible. So once what target president no on the bonnet there. My only problem with the ladies no and as by that kind, by coming to social media to express her because I have a problem. You see, lady maybe the kind of last year, Ruth Kadiri became the same thing. Then you now confirm say you're not correct. Omoni became the same thing. You confirm say you're not correct. Bimbo became you confirm say you're not correct. So why are we playing around as if say, "Oma be bring kumu biam." Yeah, you my dear or Ghana. I don't really care if it is going out around the world. But the man who has seen and we need to fix it. We need to fix it. Me only wake a kana and can say more is follow up. Because so be was social media. You be bobo. But there must be a certain follow up. Come here. They are dealing with the right authority. They should not just sit there. Social media will get you to a certain point. Because guess what? Sanka Ruth Kadiri in the company last year. NAB will take you 1 or 2 to quarter. Akados and action because. But they didn't know and not die. Omonis be they know and not tijai. Waste be they know. Although we are getting, but they should omunya follow up. No, but nobody under no circumstances anybody rubbish what they are doing.
It's stressful.
Because it is frustrating to inject resources and funding into a certain project. Now, Obiakofa, and I make quite entertainment journalist. See a short article, no uncle for fun because we actually set the meeting them me cracking the brains to put A, B, C, D together. No, we read article no be a fact. That's on the website. Yeah. The same way.
Without credit card.
Without no. Yes. It's no share education idea. Also, none of this about this time. Because we've gone through
and
this.
And you education.
Education,
but
we
can say on your
it goes through a process. There's a fine. The
reason why you can't jail them is because look, Arnold Fachemi. We went on.
Arnold, when you say production, Obi so they are to YouTube.
On to the logo at China UTV there. I know the lady na kata UTV.
Become the kata so.
See, but only Arnold.
The reason why system need to make sure.
The reason why
the
reason why education we can. I'm not saying me for 30 seconds. I'm not saying for 30 seconds. The reason why education is here is because you are called anti-piracy actions before task force. I'm a coaching for police station, my police for business and Raben and Modechom. I had to go and do a copy of the law and then bring it to the police and then read the relevant portion of the SAR. I'm not about that bank. So no, they can't know all the laws.
They need to know.
They can't know all the laws. So education is what will help them to know.
Education,
the copyright office, no, the monetary team, they work copyright or law, no. Actually, police officers are supposed to be part of the team.
Yes. Now make us 2012. Police for
Wait, let me check.
That's a cool event. I was part of it.
You were part of it, right?
It's a show. Committee be so for me, board be so for me no patcho. More kikamu. Now we are here to support and ensure so be excited.
But that's it. You na yashas here. Yashas senti weti enka. Thank you.
Yes.
Say akwantum abrochire na opese o send sika ko momo number so e wo Ghana anase opese o send sika echo bank account bi so ewo Ghana me therefore mame kan for lemfi ema the enti ame kan for lemfi ema nyina ne say o pay money transfer omo exchange rate ewo soro kese pa eye lemfi na ni gisem kra kese ne say wo Europe now we your first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And our UK, now your first £50 transfer, amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans, now your $100 first transfer, amount $20 cashback. Nemum, answer na benya cashback no. Mema rain fi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemu so say wa America. Now ope say o shipping nyoma e free. Washington DC, Maryland, and Virginia. Odiane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo Fre Box Oak says ya. O fro ma when imra also no mujina wabobuano. Oma be box on your man kama. Na omu dia call Ghana asumdwe mama. Omo so eni December kwa account ne say. O fro ma catchum say and I'm the BonahShow so and I'll tell omunka. Omo so mpre na omecha 10% discount. Nye chat wonye. Se o ko Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana be Kumasi na udru Kumasi obepe ba bia dam wasomadwo obepe ba bia e 100% security e 100% CCTV cameras air condition chese o pe ba bia dam wasomadwo wa obe sorry with my ye waduane live to say there sabi uti ufie papa bi ma frɛ Pcash Properties and I say call www.pcashproperties.com